today we're gonna open this inflatable Playland, and it's called the Paw Patrol the movie. It's with the Paw Patrol, Liberty, Sky, Chase, Marshall. Let's open it. And it has the front. This is the front. This is the front. This is the side. This is the back. And this side is Paw Patrol the movie. We need scissors. Scissors?
What do you need?
Scissors! Thank you. I will do. It's so heavy too. Yeah, I already did. Just one more. Oh, come on! Only yo! Make a mess. Let's open it. Wow, so many balls! Let's take one by one. Hey, can you hold them? Can you hold it? The more balls. Too many. Ready. Look, so many balls. Look, it's a pond. See what's inside. Oh, too many. Too many. It's the Paw Patrol! It's the Paw Patrol Use Papa. Okay. We already put the air inside the Playland. And look how it looks. It's soft, it's good, it's nice, it has so many designs, and it's colorful. Come closer.